really a good event. I'm happy here representing the universities. I'm happy to see such a huge response in the VSOs. And this VSOs event has been a very successful event. Thank you.
Hi, Saloni this side. I am very excited to become a part of VSO's educational event fair. I got to counsel quite a good pool of students today for the UK University. Thank you.
Hi, this is Bhargav. So I represent UK University. So I was very excited to be a part of this university. So today the most of the students came for UK University. So they were very good and they were very interactive. And I'm looking forward for more opportunities like this. Yeah, thank you.
My name is Mohammad Khalid. I was having a bit trouble getting universities shortlisted in UK. I'm planning to do my masters in UK, so I came to Vsauce to get help regarding that. And as soon as I went to the Vsauce, they took my details and started the process. I got the shortlisting of the universities, and within 3 days, no, I think 4 days. Within 4 days, I got a offer letter from Heriot-Watt University from Scotland, and I'm pretty happy with that. I also got a scholarship with them as well, and as I was planning to sponsor my studies through the loan, I went to the loan team who are dedicated to deals with loans for students, and I went to them and they helped me get my education loan I got a sanction letter within 3 days, which is very great regarding that, because it would take at least 15 to 20 days for a person to receive education loan. In my case, I got a direct a representative of the bank who helped me get the sanction letter within 3 days, which is 4 days, sorry, which is very good. So I think I'll recommend my friends to come to Vsauce as well, who are planning to do masters in abroad as well as their undergrad. So it's pretty helpful, and yeah, they'll help us with everything.
Hi, my name is Diya and I'm representing USA Universities. I'm so glad to be a part of this World Education Fair conducted by Vsauce Consultancy Private Limited. I love the energy that the students brought, and I like how visionary they were about their future. All in all, I enjoyed the fair and I enjoyed having this interaction with such a pure quality of students. Thank you.
Hi, I am here to represent USA Universities, and I am really glad to be a part of this World Education Fair conducted by Vsauce, and really good quality students we have got here, and it was a really good fair and good exposure overall. Thank you.
Hi, very good evening. I represent both the university, Virginia Institute of Science and Technology and University of North America, that I was invited for this World Education Fair, and a lot of students had come and approached with me regarding both the university, and I had given all the information to them, and a lot of students had come for various programs.
Hi, this is Urmila. I'm representing a lot of universities from Germany and France and whole of Europe. Today I've represented these universities here in Vsauce. We have met a lot of students and the event is very good, well built. We have met a lot of students in terms of applications and process, hoping for a high recruitment in future. Thank you so much, and it's glad to be participated in this event.
Hi, hello. My name is Vrushali Samarth. I am representing US Universities, University of New Haven, that is in Connecticut, and Florida International University, that is in Miami. We are here for the Vsauce Education Fair, and it's been an absolute wonderful turnout of the students. The profile has been outstanding, and hopefully to get good conversions out of the event. Thank you.
Hi, this is Anandita, and I'm glad to be part of this Vsauce World Education Fair. The quality of students here has been amazing. The students are so interested and are highly converted students. And I'm glad to be part of this Vsauce Education Fair. Thank you, team, for having such a great event.
Hi, I'm representing for Australia and Dubai universities. I'm very glad to be a part of this Vsauce event today. I think the kind of students what we have got are really quality students, and it has been really a fantastic event to interact with the students over here. And it is great to have this kind of an events being conducted in Hyderabad. We are very thankful to Vsauce to have us here and to guide their students over here. And we look forward for such kind of an events. It has been a good turnover of the students for not only for Dubai, but I think there are multiple different destinations where the students can be able to take this as an opportunity. So I think Vsauce or such kind of team players should be really able to come up with such kind of unique destinations wherein the students can be able to really get the valuable counseling and a good kind of feedback on the education process. I think it's a very heartily warm welcome to Vsauce, and we really wish them successful for this particular event and a good turnaround of our students. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Grad Homes. All are welcome here. And yes, here is a expo at the Vsauce. Vsauce organized this expo, and here we see our Grad Homes. It is a student accommodation company. Here we have a student accommodation near every university, states, cities, and countries all over the world. When your visa is done, you just reach out to the Grad Homes. We also have our website, which is gradhomes.com. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sanket, and I am an Ireland counselor. So today this event was very good. We have a lot of students who are interested in going Ireland. So I believe I have done more than 50 plus counselings today. So the event arranged by Vsauce, it was a really great event, and I believe that many more events I'll be participating soon with this team.
హాయ్ నా పేరు గీతాంజలి. నేను ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్లీ వన్ ఆఫ్ కన్సల్టెన్సీ వాళ్ళు ఏజెంట్ కాల్ చేసి రమ్మన్నారు బాగుంటుంది అని అంటే సరే చూద్దామని నేను వచ్చాను. బట్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. చాలా యూనివర్సిటీ వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు, మంచిగా రిసీవింగ్ గిన బాగా చేశారు. సో చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది. అండ్ ఇంకా నాకు ఎప్పటి నుంచో లోన్ గురించి కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం ఉండే, ఆ లోన్ గురించి అయితే క్వైరీ ఉంది, అది కూడా చాలా బాగా రిజాల్వ్ చేశారు. సో డెఫినెట్లీ అప్లై మాత్రం చేస్తాను.
నేను గుంటూరు నుంచి వచ్చాను. ఈరోజు Vsauce నుంచి నేను కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యి హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చాను. మా బాబు AGBSC అయిపోయింది. నాకు ఈ Vsauce నుంచి యాసిన్ గారు మంచి సజెషన్ ఇచ్చారండి, బెస్ట్ సజెషన్ ఇచ్చారు. చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను అనమాట. మా బాబుని యాసిన్ గారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో Vsauce నుంచి నేను ఏదన్నా కానీ అప్డేట్ పంపించాలని ఫిక్స్ అయ్యి ఉన్నాను సార్. ఎందుకంటే నాకు తెలియని విషయాలు చాలా చెప్పారు యాసిన్ గారు. అందుకని నేను Vsauce నుంచి నేను మా బాబుని అప్డేట్ పంపించాలని ఫిక్స్ అయ్యాను.
Vsauce is providing the good information. Here all the universities are available. They are giving the good information. Even all the banks are also giving the good information here.
मेरा लड़का है सैयद जमाल मुबशिर हुसैन, मैं उसका फादर हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे ये लोग ग्लोबल एजू फेयर लगाए थे Vsauce वालों की तरफ से. यहाँ पे बड़ा अच्छा समझा है. सबसे बड़ी बात हमको मालूम नहीं था कि इतना मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आया था, लड़के के बारे में बात करूँगा बोल के, मगर इतना अच्छा समझाए कि कैसा तरीके से बच्चा रहना, वहाँ पे कैसा पढ़ना है. मैं बहुत सेटिस्फाई हुआ. और भी पेरेंट्स चाहे तो इस जगह पे आके अपने बच्चों के बारे में डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते, अच्छे से मालूमात कर सकते. बहुत अच्छा समझाया, इतना प्यारा समझाया, दूसरी जगह कोई समझाते नहीं इतना. मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ. और दूसरे लोग के लिए, दूसरे बच्चों के लिए, फादर जो भी हैं, मैं उनको ये सजेशन दूंगा कि यहाँ पे आके अच्छे से मालूमात करके अपने लड़कों को सही जगह भेजें ताकि वो अच्छे से पढ़ सके और अच्छे से रह सके. बस ये मेरी तरफ से एक वो था. थैंक यू Vsauce वालों का, जो इतना अच्छा यहाँ पे हम लोग को फैसिलिटीज़ रखे हैं यहाँ पे, और समझाए भी, बहुत अच्छे से बताए भी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.